Seung-ye, just try to do what you're capable of. Our children are suffering this much. You can't just stand there and watch. We must protect the children, as their mother.
Hey, mister. Could I please borrow that? Thanks. Oh!
Study room? Wow.
Mom did well, right?
Mom, a favor. Can't you go on a trip for just a few days?
Perhaps you shouldn't go home, at least for today.
No, I'm confident. So shall we toast? To the mother and her sons.
To